From Broke to Millionaire: 7 Surprising Habits of Successful People. Hey there and welcome to Winning Wealthy. In this video, we're excited to share with you the 7 surprising habits of highly successful people that can transform your life from broke to millionaire. Successful people come from all walks of life and make money in completely different ways, but there are a few things that they all have in common. Such as waking up early every morning, setting their goals, finding time to visualizing their success, network with other successful people, take risks and more. If you want to be successful, sit back, relax, and learn how you can adopt these habits into your own life and see how it changes everything for you. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips that you can apply to your own life to help you achieve the success you desire. But before I continue, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our Winning Wealthy channel for more tips on how to achieve a wealth in your life. 1. They wake up early. Successful people tend to wake up early for a variety of reasons. For one, waking up early allows them to get a head start on the day, giving them the opportunity to be productive before others even wake up. This can provide them with a feeling of accomplishment and a sense of control over their day. Additionally, waking up early can help them establish a routine and ensure that they have enough time to complete their daily tasks without feeling rushed or stressed. It can also give them time to engage in activities that are important to them, such as exercise, meditation, or reading. Lastly, waking up early can provide them with a quiet and peaceful environment, free from distractions and interruptions, allowing them to focus on their goals and priorities. By waking up early, successful people are able to make the most of their day and set themselves up for continued success. 2. They set goals and stick to them. Successful people understand the importance of setting clear and specific goals to achieve their desired outcomes. They take the time to identify their objectives and break them down into smaller, achievable steps, creating a roadmap towards success. By doing so, they can stay focused on what they want to achieve and are better equipped to handle any obstacles that come their way. They also hold themselves accountable for their progress and celebrate their achievements along the way. Additionally, successful people are proactive and act towards their goals, rather than waiting for things to happen on their own. They are adaptable and willing to adjust their plans as needed but remain committed to their overall vision. By setting goals and sticking to them, successful people create a sense of purpose and direction in their lives, which in turn helps them to achieve their desired outcomes. 3. They visualize their success. Successful people often use visualization as a powerful tool to help them achieve their goals. By creating a mental image of what they want to achieve and envisioning themselves in that scenario, they can increase their motivation and focus, which can ultimately lead to success. Visualization can also help them overcome any fears or doubts they may have about achieving their goals and can provide them with a sense of clarity and confidence. Furthermore, visualization can help successful people identify potential obstacles or challenges that may arise, allowing them to prepare for them in advance. By consistently visualizing their success, successful people can create a positive mindset that helps them to stay on track, remain persistent, and ultimately achieve their goals. Overall, visualization is a powerful tool that successful people use to help them stay motivated, focused, and confident in their ability to achieve their desired outcomes. 4. They network with other successful people. Successful people understand the importance of networking with other successful individuals. They know that by building relationships with like-minded individuals, they can gain valuable insights, support, and opportunities that can help them achieve their goals. Networking also provides them with access to a wider pool of resources, ideas, and knowledge, which can be essential for success in a competitive environment. Successful people are also aware that networking is not just about what they can get from others, but also about what they can give back. By providing value to their network, they can build stronger relationships, establish their expertise, and position themselves as an asset to others. They also understand that networking is not just limited to in-person events or meetings, but can also be done through social media, online communities, and other virtual platforms. By actively seeking out opportunities to network with other successful individuals, they can expand their influence, increase their visibility, and ultimately achieve greater success in their personal and professional lives. 5. They take risks. Successful people are not afraid to take risks in pursuit of their goals. They understand that success often requires stepping outside of one's comfort zone and taking chances that may involve uncertainty or potential failure. However, they also know that taking calculated risks can lead to new opportunities, growth, and innovation. Successful people approach risk-taking with a strategic mindset, assessing the potential outcomes, weighing the costs and benefits, and acting based on their analysis. They also view failure as a learning opportunity and are not deterred by setbacks or obstacles. Instead, they use these experiences to gain knowledge, adjust their approach, and continue to move forward. Successful people also recognize that there are risks involved in not taking risks, such as missed opportunities, stagnation, and regret. By taking risks, successful people can push beyond their limits, achieve their goals, and set themselves up for continued success in the future. 6. They believe in themselves. Successful people have a strong belief in themselves and their abilities. They have a positive mindset and a can-do attitude that helps them overcome obstacles and challenges. They understand that self-belief is essential for success because it provides the confidence and motivation necessary to pursue their goals. Successful people focus on their strengths and skills, rather than their weaknesses or limitations, and use their positive self-talk to reinforce their self-belief. They also recognize that failure and setbacks are a natural part of the learning and growth process, and do not let these experiences diminish their self-belief. Additionally, successful people surround themselves with supportive people who believe in them and their goals. By cultivating a strong sense of self-belief, successful people are able to maintain their motivation, persistence, and resilience in the face of adversity, which is essential for achieving their desired outcomes. Seven. They are passionate about what they do. Successful people are passionate about what they do. They have a genuine interest in their work or pursuits and are highly motivated to achieve their goals. They understand that passion is essential for success because it provides the drive, energy, and focus necessary to overcome challenges and pursue excellence. Passionate people are highly engaged in their work, and their enthusiasm is contagious, inspiring others around them to share in their vision and goals. Passionate people are also highly persistent, and are willing to invest the time, effort, and resources necessary to achieve their objectives. They are highly adaptable and open to new ideas and feedback, which allows them to continue learning and growing over time. Additionally, passion can help successful people to maintain their motivation, even when faced with difficult or frustrating circumstances. By staying committed to their passion, successful people can achieve remarkable results and make a positive impact in their field or industry. In conclusion, Successful people don't just end up achieving great things, they choose to do the things necessary to make a success of their life. They wake up early and set goals, taking steps every day to make sure those goals are achieved. Successful people visualize their success and network with other like-minded individuals. They take risks, believe in themselves, and have a deep passion for their work. All these habits combined create major success in life. Whether you want to become the next millionaire or just improve your financial situation, the most important takeaway is that with strategic planning and dedication you can live your best life and earn true wealth. Why not give it a try? Click the button below to check out Winning Wealthy for more tips on how to create financial wealth and peace of mind. Thanks for watching.